Today I'm gonna make the Minecraft crossbow in real life, and hopefully I won't mess this up. Let's now make a Wait, no! You shouldn't have seen that! Alright, let's now make a project. This is the blueprint for the crossbow. The main part of the crossbow will be 50 centimeters long and whatever wide, and the actual bow 40 centimeters long. But honestly, nobody cares about this, so might as well skip to the good part. To make a wood crossbow we need wood. We'll get later to the other stuff. Now I will perform a maneuver that only myself and a gentleman named Steve can do. I swear I actually did it. We got a nice chunk of wood here. Let's make some planks. There's now enough material to start, and like all great projects, you always gotta start with the hardest part of the build, which in this case is the bow. In Minecraft we don't really know what's going on as of crossbow mechanics, but we know what's used: strings, tripwire hook and iron, so I came up with this unique design. I will attach two mobile parts to the left and right tips of the bow, and two springs on top of them, as well as a string to their extremities. The mobile parts will only move inwards and not outwards, so that when you pull the string, tension builds up in the springs and releasing will shoot the arrow. That was very unclear!
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, as of now I made the main body, found a white plastic rope which will be perfect, and these two old rusty tight springs. Amazing. Now I have to make two pieces like these ones. And if you're asking yourself, why am I using a saw and not power tools? First of all, I often marinate school, and second, it just looks cooler. Let me show you this engineering masterpiece. This thing only turns inwards and not outwards because of this 90-degree angle it's attached to. Elon Musk better be afraid of me. Anyway, I finished both pieces, and for some reason chickens came to visit my workshop, and it literally made my day. Just kidding, chickens are safe. And to complete the mechanism, I just have to attach the two springs in these intersections. So I pinned these two and realized these things are too blocky to let the springs move. You damn 90 degrees! Which means I just cut the edges off. Now there's room for the springs and I can nail them in. The main pulley mechanism is done. This is what it looks like, and I think it's pretty accurate, because Minecraft has some absurd mechanics as well. Let's just attach a string and see if it works.
Oh. Hey.
Now, I just need to add a trigger mechanism. I went for something like this, which is strong and simple. But I didn't add the spring because I am lazy. And then I realized this mechanism needed a thicker piece of wood to be mounted on, not this mozzarella looking wood plank. I found a thicker chunk of wood, and this will do just fine. So I started making the trigger components, in a very distinguished manner. Look at this distinguished gentleman, gracefully cutting through wood with his tiny saw. Now, I just have to make the main body of the crossbow and mount the trigger, just a few steps away from the finished product. And please, recognize the hard work that went into this. Drop a like and subscribe. Don't you feel pity for this agonizing fellow? The main body is done and all the pieces are ready to be assembled. All there's really left to do is making the slot for the trigger and nailing the pieces in. So, this is where the trigger goes. It moves in here and does funky stuff. I stuck the two components in and I'm gonna hammer a nail in transversely. And hopefully I get it right. Or else, this is going in the trash can. Now that it's ready and all the boring stuff is finally done, I can actually show you how it works. String goes here, you pull the trigger and shoot. Let's see a practical example.
Oh, let's go!
After a lot of pain and struggle and chickens, the crossbow is finally ready.
Let's go eat.
This is the finished product. I'm very proud of how it looks. Just compare this to the actual Minecraft crossbow. Anyway, we all wanna see if it works, and if so, how well. So I built the ugliest possible trash can zombie with a pumpkin head. This thing screams low budget out loud. Oh my god, what am I doing with my life? However, it is worthy of testing. And here goes the sickest montage of crossbow sharpshooting. Yeah, I know, it's ridiculous. But at least we got the proof that the Minecraft crossbow actually works exactly like it should. But apparently, my aim doesn't. Here's a compilation of my best shots.
Oh. Oh.
In case you didn't notice, I was really happy after shooting properly for once. In case you're wondering, this is how you reload the crossbow after every shot.
Vai.
Over time I got a little bored, and the bow was breaking, so I thought I'd do some cool trick shots like the ones you will see on YouTube in 2012. I also want to give this part of the video to my male audience. Enjoy, and goodbye.